and I don't know, my been a said this, been a coming at your face and fucking up your edges. Your pussy fat, your holy cock and just a penny. Him now fire, not a shot, come fuck up other guy. Bitch, for paradise, picture me, you fuck your right. Cocky, I come take a ride.
I'm sanctified. Now make them all a vibe. With red.
Your face stayed hard for sure. So that boy you know want to road. Cause we know people.
Fire jump and it tailpipe. Man I pull up down a hill with beer nice. Satan up and move and me skate by. Pass, sleep. Me and you all on the same, just a sting by your name. Only for your stage show, the boy them want beat. Me sing song, but even try to promote.
Next weed, I'm gonna grab our next cup. Mix it and it whittle in, I saw the killer them tons. We got guns.
Realize I'm not regular, smarty more open home. Open all your style, open all your body, more open all.
Better you don't know about that. About that. Better them not know about that. Do not talk about.
P50 when time me pull up at the car wash. And a 39 me G when time me dog chip up on Glock.
Sometimes I think you might lose yourself in the proper process. I try to gain everywhere, you know what I mean, trying to understand everything, you know what I mean. So he's right, you just work on it. Who accepting it, you know what I mean? You keep giving it to them, you keep trying to better the craft, and you know what I mean, you're marketing markets that you feel like it. You can try new markets, but you just stay grounded, you stay. There's a family man still in there, you know what I mean? And to be honest, the vision is way bigger than where I'm at right now. There's a lot of things I want to achieve, I really want to, you know what I mean, set my family, set my kids set the right way, you know what I mean? When I really want to look back and be like, yo, I did have this, I did have that, you know what I mean, want to achieve my goals and set some things, so set a legacy where my kids them can come live differently, total different life from me. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Definitely.
They won't have to lock off the stove. And
nah, for lock off.
We don't do none of that. No crocodile talk, none of that shit going on.
No crocodile.
My value is my self-value. Only look at dirty money and go suck out your money. Don't write with me. Talk about me in a nice light. I don't talk. We are called Trevor Burbick. I'm here the reigning dancehall champion. Who better than me? Give me a name. Listen me. My value is myself.
That's song. Sanate. Wait. Wanna wait. I want them to spread out. Ladies, spread out. Darling, go so. Wanna wait. Oh no, take the get on. Put your hand in. Go down low, mama. Go down low. I say go down low. Go down low. Low, what on that? Low, what on? Hey, low. Oh, I say go down low. Go down low. Go down low.
God is a man. You represent God. And I tell black women, the closest you may ever get to God is being with a black man. Because he looks more like you than me. Nobody never saved nobody but you. And you have been beat down so discouraged that it's very difficult. But I want you to know that you will be the winner. You are the original man. God didn't make everybody and then make you. He made you first. And everybody was modeled after you on some level. That's real talk. That ain't to soothe your ego. These are actual facts that if we could get our men to understand and accept, and I know it don't look like it now. I know some of the guys in the government. I know some of them in prison. Some of them on drugs. Some of them out here acting ignorant. Some of them pretending to be a woman. But that does not change the foundation of who you are and who made you.